Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, mesarastarr. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a haul to show you, a Dollar Tree haul. Yes, I went to the Dollar Tree today. And I also want to point out I got my hair done today, so I'm super excited. I posted about it in my video, my other video too, but I just wanted to show you guys if you notice a difference. I did have my hair done today and I'm super excited about it. I love it. I love getting my hair done, and it just feels so good to get it back up to that where I want it, that blonde, you know, where I've you know, because it had some outgrow, which is fine and everything, but it was getting too much of outgrow for me. So anyway, I'm back to where I like it and I'm really excited about it. So I just want to show you, because I mentioned yesterday that I was getting my hair done. So anyway, I don't know, I just wanted to point that out. I'm not sure if you guys noticed the difference or not, but I just wanted to say that I've had a fun day getting that done and getting pampered. And so I also went to the Dollar Tree. I always make time for the Dollar Tree. So I went to a different one today. So I went to the one that was near my salon. And so I'll go ahead and get right into my haul. My bag is right here. It's a little haul again, because like I said, I've been visiting the DT quite a bit these days. So I'll go ahead and get started. This haul is kind of like, I'm gonna call this haul my green haul, because really everything in here, everything but one thing is like green. So yeah, it's like a color theme I got going on today. It's really funny, like everything but one thing in there is green. I'm like, whoa, okay. I don't know, so I guess I had green on my mind. So the first thing I got was, and I need to check when St. Patrick's Day is, because I love St. Patrick's Day, but they're, like I said, I went to a new Dollar Tree today and they had these really adorable clings. I mean, look at how cute these little guys are. They're so cute, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leprechauns on there. Now, I've talked about this before. What my kids use these for is they put these on their bathroom you know, mirrors, and it just makes the bathroom like fun, festive, like when they're getting ready in the morning, you know, for school. Something fun to look at, you know, because everybody's tired in the morning when they wake up, and this is just kind of something fun and exciting to look at while you're getting ready. And they're just really cute. They had different ones, like 2 or 3 different styles of window clings that I saw. This has 11 total pieces on here, so it's really cute. So I think my kids, well, I haven't showed them this yet, but I think that they'll really think it's fun, you know, and really cute. And I really do like window clings. I don't know, I think they're just really fun for little kids to, you know, it just decorates for them, and I let them do it. I let them put them on the windows, or not the windows, the mirrors, so it's part of their decorating, you know. The next thing I got, following my green theme, is these. Now these are like carnations, which I love carnations, and these are obviously St. Patrick ones. They have the 4-leaf clovers in there. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 carnations and 2 4-leaf clovers. I bought this because I'm going to decorate my space here. I'm going to put it in there when it gets closer to, this will be my, I got my spring flowers because I'm ready for spring in here, but I'm going to transfer these into there when it gets close to St. Patrick's Day. So I'm gonna, you know, change up my space a little bit for each season. So that'll be dedicated to that spot right there on my desk. So anyway, they're really, really cute, and I think I can like spread them out a little bit more to make them more fuller looking. But I thought they're really cute for $1. Like, yeah, you can make them look fuller and fluff them up a little bit, you know? So they're really cute. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what it looks like now, so you can kind of see what only one will look like in a vase, to see maybe if I might need more or if one will be enough. But yeah, it works. They have some there too, which are really cute too. I couldn't decide which one to get. They have one, and maybe, you know what, I should have got 2 because that would have been cute. They had some with gold coins in them, gold picks instead of the 4-leaf clovers. So you could choose these with gold picks of the coins, or these. So I might have to go back and get the ones and add to here, or I might just leave it like this. But anyway, I think it's really cute and a fun way to decorate, and an easy, cheap way to do it, you know, for $1. I mean, this is from the Dollar Tree too, so $2, done, you know, done and done. So anyway, so I'll put that away for now, and we're gonna keep these out for now because these are so pretty. I love my roses. I love, I forget what those roses are called, the little tiny ones. There's a name for those. Not tea rose. They're like Victorian. Oh, there's a name for them. It's gonna like bother me. There's a name for those little tiny roses and I can't remember. Okay. Next, following my green theme is is the Cold and Clean disinfectant wipes. I can never have enough of these around my house, especially right now because we're getting over, some of my family members have had the cold. We got some coughing going on in the house, and so I'm wiping down the surfaces more and using these more. So I definitely needed to replenish my stock in this, so I got this today. So we're following along with my green theme. Now the next thing I got for my green theme is, I promise I did not do this on purpose, this green theme, but I picked up this boa because it's gonna go on my mascot back here when we get closer to St. Patrick's Day. Now this boa is 4 feet long. Is it really 4 feet long? It doesn't look 4 feet long. I don't know, I guess it is. It has ties at the, I didn't realize that till now too. It has like ties underneath, so I guess you could like string it, like maybe as like a garland for like a fireplace, or you know, a doorway, something like that. But I really think this is adorable, and it's gonna go right on her, my mascot, when we get closer. So I will say though, if you have cats, make sure I have a cat that was getting very curious about this in my bag today, and you know, obviously this is not good for cats to you know, ingest or anything like that. So if you have a cat, like you might want to just like a heads up that it should not be near probably a cat, because they might be drawn to these, and I don't think it's not very safe for a cat to chew on these and to ingest them, you know, because they do have like sharp pieces, I think. So yeah, I'm making sure that this will be high up on my mascot and my cat can't reach this, you know, so just wanted to give you a heads up, because like I said, I love animals, and I just I have a cat that is interested in like this type of stuff, and I mean, it kind of looks like a bird, right? So anyway, yeah, so I got that. So anyway, so yeah, the boa is really cute, and it's like I said, I think this is a great deal for $1 for 4 feet of it has gold in there too, and so like I said, it's gonna go right on her, and she's gonna sport it for me. So really cute and fun. They have some really great St. Patrick's stuff in this year. I mean, they are rolling it out. Okay, see, look, one just dropped. So yeah, I gotta be careful with that. Then the next thing I got, following my green theme, is a bag of peanuts. Is this open? Stuff's like flying off. No. So it's a bag of salted roasted peanuts. Now there's 10 ounces in here, packed with protein, it says, gluten-free, and it's best through May 2019, so we have time to use this for $1. That is such a good deal. My son likes these, so I got them for my son, so for $1. Then for the next thing I got was, I guess this isn't green. This isn't very green, I guess. I thought it was green. Okay, I got Clar and Danver moisturizing, or cleanses and moisturizing. It's the antibacterial foaming soap, which I like. You know, I hauled the coconut soap from the home store, I think, the other day. That soap does not work well for me. I feel like I have to use a lot of it to get that, like, to actually let it like move across my hands and like wash my hands. Like, I don't know what's with that soap, but it's not working very well for me, and I bought it before, so I went ahead and made my life easier, and I bought something that's already foamed and like already got that, because I like the bubbles. I like feeling that bubble when I'm washing my hands. This will give it to me, that feeling, when I'm using foam. So I picked this up. I do feel like foam soap doesn't last as long as like your traditional pump soap, but you know, anyway, yeah, it's soap. So anyway, then the last thing I got I was so excited about is, it's an Easter item, and it is, ta-da! Now, isn't that so cute? Let me move this out of the way. I don't know if you can see it. Isn't it so sweet? So, you know, it reminds me, now that I think about it, I have 4 kids, so that can be my kids, my 4 little bunnies. So, I have a boy, I have 3 daughters, so it's really cute. And it says welcome. It has that faux wood look. I love the little cottontails. And it totally reminds me again of something of Kirkland's. I'm going to go ahead and put it against the wall here so you can kind of get an idea of what it would look like. actually hanging up against a solid surface. I'm gonna go ahead and take this tag off so you can see it better, visualize it better, but there we go. So like this. So anyway, the back is just plain. It does look like it got a little bent today. I don't know why, but it's still pretty straight. So anyway, that's my last piece for my Dollar Tree haul today, but I think this is gorgeous, really well made. And I mean, they have some beautiful, beautiful Easter signs. I had to hold back from buying a ton of them today because I already have just bought some. My last visit, I bought a sign and some Easter picks. And anyway, but I know I'll buy more because I just love Easter, but for today, I just picked up that one. So with that being said, that's my haul for today for the DT, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I really do appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back soon with another haul, okay? Till next time, take care. I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye now.